Hello guys, welcome to our channel New Developer. In this video, we are going to see how to switch bit from the dark theme to light theme and light theme to dark theme using this simple switch icon, this simple switch. And before we dive into the code, I just want to remind you that if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the growing community of Android developers who are learning and creating amazing things with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Please give it a big old thumbs up. It will help other developers find this awesome tutorial and elevate their apps to the next level. Alright, let's get started with it. How we gonna do this? Simple. First, we need a variable where dark theme. It provides us the value whether currently the dark theme enabled or not. Remember, and then mutable state of is gonna be false at first. And by using this, we gonna pass this to this dark theme equals to dark theme. So if I open this, and you can see it contains three parameters: that dark theme, which are provided by the system in dark theme, means your system, your device is in the dark theme. If it is in the dark theme, then it will provide the true here, and if it is not, then it is false. Obviously, dynamic color, you can provide content, whatever the color content. If you want to change some colors, then you can provide here. And yeah, that's it. Actually, we need to create a switch. Let's create a composable function, theme fun theme switcher. And simply here we need to pass the dark theme variable value, basically dark theme value, which is of type boolean, and just simply create a switch. Now the checked and the unchecked, what we gonna do on the click of unchecked change. So first, on the check, simple dark theme. Unchecked change, we need to provide here on theme change, and it will return the function callback. Then on check change, simple on theme change. And colors, we need to provide the colors to this switch defaults dot colors, and inside this simple check track color material theme dot color scheme dot primary container checked thumb color material theme dot color scheme dot primary material theme dot color scheme dot secondary container unchecked thumb color material theme dot color scheme dot secondary. Now just call the theme switcher from here and provide the dark theme here, and on click of the on change, just simply change the value of the on dark theme, whatever the value, just simply reverse it. So we need to actually call this function from the like this. So I did a mistake here. Now it is right, like composable switch defaults. Now you can see it converted to the dark theme. This is dark theme, this light. So you can simply do it like this. We can also change the color. Actually, the color I did wrongly. Unchecked thumb color provided secondary container, so I just provided the same color to track and thumb, so that's why it is looking not fine. Now it is gonna look fine. This is a simple thing. Now if I click check, then this is like simple. That's it for this video. Click like button if you like this video. Do share, to have comment it below if you have something to share, or have a feedback or any ideas for the next tutorials. And also subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. See you in the next one. Bye bye.